Mike Rice here with Quantum. I want to talk to you today about a new product we have. It's going to be available fall 2024. These are the Strive combos. So there's a more detailed video on the Strive reel itself over on the Strive homepage. But just from a high level, obviously the Strive combos come with the Strive reel. You can see here the reels have an aluminum frame and side plate, as well as a nylon rotor. So it's a very good combination of strength to weight ratio that's been used for decades in saltwater. One of the other things probably most important about the Strive is that it's sealed to IPX standards. So that's what we're calling our CLOX 6. And that means that the reels have somewhere between 11 and 13 seals, depending on which size reel we're talking about, that protect the gearbox and the drag system. So salt, sand, salt water can't get inside the reel, which gives you a longer lifetime on not just the drag system, but also the gears, the bearings, all the internal components. And then our CFX 200 drag system. So that's a proprietary carbon fiber material sandwiched in between stainless steel drag plates. And what that does is give you a very smooth startup on your drag, but it also lets us achieve best-in-class drag ratings, so max drags. These reels also have a wave spring design as opposed to a traditional coil spring, which allows you to have a longer drag curve or a more linear drag curve, so you can actually use more of the drag range. So that's the Strive reel. Speaking specifically about the combos, I've got the assortment laid out here in front of me. So we're going to offer 3 inshore combos, and these rods come with the traditional cork handles, standard pipe reel seat. On the boat rods, a little heavier duty EVA foregrip and rear grip. They also come with a rubber gimbal. And obviously these, we'll get to the guides later, but one of the main differences between the inshore and boat rods is that we use double-footed guides on the boat rods. And then we offer 3 surf combos, and you can see here, this is a mix of an EVA foregrip, rubber shrink tube on the rear grip, and of course the standard traditional pipe seat. And one thing worth mentioning on the 2 larger surf combos, we actually do offer a rubber gimbal here for when you're chunking bait and you've got it setting in the rod holder. This is a nice feature to help keep the rod lined up. So that's the full assortment there of 9 SKUs. Speaking specifically about the combos, when you pick up a Strive combo, you'll notice the attention to detail that went into the combo rods themselves. So these rods have been designed specifically to match up with a reel in the Strive family. The guide layout's been chosen based on the action and power of the rod, as well as the diameter of the spool lip. When you pick these combos up at retail, you'll notice the level of detail that went into designing these combos, where in a lot of cases, other manufacturers may just slap a rod and reel together without truly making sure that they perform well together. We went through the extra steps on the Quantum Strive to make sure that these were perfectly factory balanced. And you can see here, this is a heavier boat model. Everything blends well. Like I mentioned earlier, we talked about the double foot guides on all the surf and boat rods. So one of the things that we did when we brought the Strive to market is we knew we had to have a guide that was different from what else is out there. On a lot of combo rods, one of the main complaints is that the guide insert, the little piece that sits inside the steel frame, cracks, chips, or really pops out a lot. So we've designed a one-piece guide system here, corrosion resistant, no insert to pop out, crack, or chip. These are what we're calling our HD 304 guides. So they're made from 304 stainless steel material, very strong, corrosion resistant, very capable, efficient with braid and or mono, fluoro, whatever it is. These guides are designed to fish with any type of line. So that's the breakdown on the Strive combos, the full range here in front of us. They'll be available again fall 2024. Check them out at your local retailer.